Same thing here, guys. It's clear that g of x is given as a 3x squared radical x minus 2. I can see it as a product of two functions. The first function is 3x squared and the second function is radical x minus 2. So which means that here u is simply equal to 3x squared, and it follows that u prime is equal to 6x, and v is equal to radical x minus 2, or I can write it as x minus 2 power half, so I can apply the chain rule. So by chain rule I can say that v prime is equal to half derivative of the inside function, so which is x minus 2 multiplied by 1. So guys, you can go back and check my previous video for more information about chain rule, multiplied by x minus 2 raised to the power half minus 1. So if you simplify v prime, you will get half multiplied by x minus 2 power negative half, and which is equal to 1 over 2 radical x minus 2. Of course, here guys, we know that in math, whenever you have like any quantity with negative power, you can get rid from the negative power by changing this quantity to the denominator, and this is what happened here. We know I explained yesterday, that a power negative n is equal to 1 over a n. Now, as you see guys, all what you need to do now is to go back to the rule or to the product rule and apply it. So here, which means that simply g prime of x which is equal to u prime v plus v prime u, and now I will replace the values. So u prime, it's given as 6x, so I will say that it's 6x multiplied by v, which is radical x minus 2, plus v prime, so plus v prime, which is 1 over 2 radical x minus 2, multiplied by u, which is 3x squared. And as you see, I'm just replacing the values here, so I can say, okay, so it will give this form. Now also guys, so basically this is g prime of x, but of course you can simplify more. So if you need more simplification, you can take radical x minus 2 as a common factor here and say that, as common denominator. So which means that I can multiply by 2 radical x minus 2 here and 2 radical x minus 2. Of course guys, if you multiply by 2 radical x minus 2 and divide by 2 radical x minus 2, this will not change the form of the function. It will change the value, it will not change the value of the function, it will change the form, because I'm just multiplying by 1, and multiplying by 1 doesn't have any effect with the value. So now guys, all what you need to do is to add these two fractions. So this is equal to 6x times 2, this will give 12x, radical x minus 2 times radical x minus 2, it will give x minus 2 plus 3x power 2, divided by the common denominator, which is 2 into radical x minus 2. Then after that, of course, we can simplify more and say that this is equal to 12x times x, so this will give 12x power 2, minus 12x, plus 12x times negative 2, so minus 24x plus 3x squared over the same denominator, and finally this will give 15x squared plus 15x squared minus 24x over the same denominator. So this is everything guys about the product rule. So as you see, all what you have to do guys, just recognize u and v and apply the rule or the product rule. So this is everything guys for today or for this video. See you later. Thank you for watching guys.